Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 12. As you might be aware, we're getting near the end of the semester, so be sure to look at the course schedule and make sure you know what's upcoming. I'll try to give you as much heads up as possible. As we start to approach final exam season, I want to remind you that I offer a awesome tutorial on the final exam telling you what to study and what to concentrate on to make things a little less stressful for you as time goes on. So I think you'll be able to get a lot out of it. I think information that you learn throughout this course will be applied in the final exam. So when looking at chapter 12, there's a lot of great information in here about health literacy, and that's what we're talking about. Be sure to watch all the videos and read the material, and then we're going to do a homework assignment based on health literacy and what it means to you and how you overcome the challenges. So I think there's going to be some great information in here. I think you're going to be able to find the information you need to have an effective homework assignment. And if you need anything in relation to that, please let me know. I'm happy to help. So the lecture is up here. This is a lecture actually by Judy, which is awesome, so I kept it on here, and then more information related to health literacy, which can be confusing. So let's open the course schedule really quick, and I'm going to go through the process with you. So let's look at where we're at. Health literacy is right here. We only have a few more weeks to the final exams. You're studying, make sure you know your stuff, and I'm happy to help along the way. Like I said, we'll have more information to come out in relation to that. If you need anything, please let me know. Appreciate all you're doing. Doing a great job. We'll stay in touch. Be sure to watch the videos. Thanks so much.